It's very small. It's not a big van. It's.
But we already drive with that our van to Thailand one time.
Thailand?
Thailand, from Finland to Thailand.
Way.
Yeah. This is Overlanding with 59 Cadillac.
The Cadillac motor car, whose supreme quality, inspiring performance, and breathtaking beauty, greatness, is never achieved suddenly.
Okay, we wake up here now in the Ilomantsi, and now we try to take car out from the parking here behind the building. Here is a little bit long grass, but I think we can manage to go out here. Okay, let's see how we can start the car. Yeah, okay. A little bit more gas. Yeah. Yeah. You see, almost all buildings are empty here. Yeah. Okay, so let's take a small ride in Ilomantsi. Okay, we found some second-hand shop. Let's go see. What you shopping?
Classic. It's something that is on it.
Yeah.
อ๋อใช่ไหมคะใช่เราคิดว่าต้องเข้าไปเหมือนพวกลายพวกอะไรอย่างนี้
Okay, here in Ilomantsi we found Thai shop. And they have some small buffet also here.
หนูนี่ชิมแต่อาหารเรื่องน้ำมัน
So this is our lunch today. We just fill up here in Ilomantsi, Teboil, and our car ate 16.3 liters per 100 kilometer since the last fill up. So okay, now we are start to heading to Europe Union most east point in the continent, or something like that they say in the map. So let's see what we can find there. So we found some warriors' house name of this place. I don't know what it is, but here have continuous war guns. They have this gate here, so we cannot go in there. But as you see, there is some cannons and also one soup cannon. Here is some installation name. Pistons. This is the border zone, so you can't go further. So there is a Russian signpost and Finland signpost. But you see there, that's a red and green, that's a Russian side. And this is Finland side. And here is cannon pointing to Russian. But here is also one gun pointing to Finland. This is a German 75mm cannon from Second World War. Now we see these yellow posts along the roadside, so this is the border zone. We don't allowed to go out of car here, and we are heading to easternmost point of the Europe Union.
1 kilo point 1.
Ah, okay. I think we are reaching the Finland and Russian border now, and this is also the Europe Union easternmost border. So we parked our car there. Okay. No, don't go over there. That's a border zone. So let's go. You can't go cross over these ropes, then they come to block you and get fined you. I think it's you need to have some special permits for borders. So it's only for the border patrols allowed to go in that area. So now we are most eastern point of Europe Union, not of the Europe, because there is plenty of Europe in Russian side, but this is the Europe Union easternmost place. Sorry the wind, I don't have better microphone now. You see that border sign there? That's the most easternmost place, the whole Europe Union. But behind there is a lots of more Europe, but it's a Russian side. And as you see there, one more border sign, and that's already a little bit more west. So that was that. Let's go back to car and hit the road again. Are you from France?
Yes, we are French.
Yeah, I see your number. Yeah, because I see your car. I have this in my home. I look, you have a
Yes,
popped up roof.
Yes,
Yeah.
that's, maybe the same.
I'm building that car for the traveling.
For traveling, yes.
For
okay.
later, yeah.
It's very good for travel, yes.
Yeah.
But-
Can I see a little bit inside your
Yes,
car?
if you want, yes.
Yeah, because we are building that van for
Yes,
for us. So if I can see, I can be happy.
Comment? Oui, une lumière, je l'ai quand même.
So yeah,
All is from Westfalia. Okay, except this one.
okay.
This one we have the
So this is the factory made.
yes,
First,
factory made,
first,
except this part.
this. Yeah, okay.
Because this part. Up.
Yeah, you
Little
have
toilets.
toilets. Yeah,
chemical
yeah,
toilet.
yeah.
And welcome. Okay, there is a fridge.
Yeah.
Ah,
And if you don't mind, I'm
Okay.
a little bit
Yes,
filming. Okay. Fridge. Yeah.
fridge. And also here
Oh,
there
you
is
can have it
Yeah. Yes.
like this.
Yes, that's very nice.
nice.
Yeah, sink and
Okay.
is it gas stove?
Gas,
Gas. Yes. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
And yeah, to
And the storage. Yes.
storage.
Yes.
And here there is for
Yeah.
knife,
Yeah.
forks.
Yeah. And is this a folding bed
Yes.
or?
Oh,
Okay.
After
he have that too.
down
Yeah.
and the bed.
You have lights. You have lights
Part
on.
of the bed.
Yeah. Okay.
And when the back is done,
Yeah.
all the bed.
Yes.
okay.
Yes. Okay. I understand.
This is
Water tanks.
water tanks, 60 liters
Okay.
to bag box.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes. Yes.
Very good.
A bottle of gas.
That's very nice. Do you have sun panels in a roof or sun panels, solar panel?
No.
No solar
We
panels.
haven't.
Yeah.
It's old 1997.
Model. Yeah. Yeah.
This model.
Yeah.
And
Okay.
here you have for
Yeah. For storage.
use.
Yeah. Yeah.
And also here.
That's kind of we are trying to build ourselves. We just have a Caravelle Synchro, our van, and we just installed 1 month ago that popped up roof.
Okay.
So it's quite new. But inside we have empty now, so we are just start to building.
It's only for 2 people.
Yeah, only for 2 people
okay.
for us. We have bed also there, but we are trying to do same style seats. If we sleeping in a town, we don't want to open
Okay.
the roof. Yeah.
And it's very small. It's not a big van. It's
But we already drive with that our van to Thailand one time. Thailand, from Finland to
it's a long
Thailand.
way.
Yeah, 19,950 kilometers from Finland, Lamsaban port in Thailand, where we put it in the container and it came back to Finland with the container.
Okay, you go to Thailand with your van,
Yes.
and you come back by container.
Yes.
Okay,
We fly, but the car came with the container.
Okay,
Yeah.
you fly and okay.
Yeah, this
Also
one.
inside you have
Yeah, okay, more storage. Yeah.
yeah. Okay.
This is very nice.
Okay.
And do you have a swivel
Yes,
seats?
you can turn.
If you can show these seats. Yeah. Yes.
But we don't use because yes.
You have place enough for sit down here,
we are
but
two, we
yeah.
sit down,
yeah.
One here, one and one second.
Yeah.
That table.
Yes.
Nice. Yeah.
It's very
cool.
nice. Very nice. Yeah. Okay, thank you. We just parking here and eat our Thai food, takeaway food here. It's not warm anymore, but possible to eat. And here is some bird have lunch here too. There. Maybe not seen a picture. Yeah. Okay, now we have good time to show from map where we have been. Last time I show you, we was in a Kerimäki, and we drive from here to Savonlinna to Rantasalmi to that's a sunken log house village. Then we came back from there to Ilomantsi straight away. Not straight away, but we have been already about 1 week in this area, so we had to get some progress, and now we get some progress. So we drive from here, past from Kerimäki, past from Puhos to Kite to Tohmajärvi, and then we take this small road which go near of the Russian border, and as I told you, show you before some clips, and then we drive from there to Ilomantsi, where we was last night. And today morning we took from Ilomantsi to the Hattuvaara, and from there to this easternmost place from the whole Europe Union, and it was here. And as you see, much more eastern than the St. Petersburg. So it's eastern than the Pähkinälinna. Okay, and that's it today. And now we are here somewhere. We just ate our lunch, and now we are planning to go to Lieksa. And we are try to find this area, some hotel or cabin or something like that. Now we are about same age in the north than we was in Lapua a couple of weeks ago. Let's see later where we go. Now we have 41 kilometer driving in this dirt road. I think it's not getting bigger. This is overlanding with 59 Cadillac. We can't go overlanding to another country, so we're overlanding with our 59 Cadillac and only in Finland. Dirt roads, 30, 40, 50 kilometers all the time. Oh, here have traffic. I don't know what these are. They are some hunters or some maybe hunter-gatherer. They are picking up lingonberries and mushrooms and hunting same time. And now we turn right. Remember the turn signal so people can see. I think this is here can have some national park also, but I don't go look. This is very bad road. It's not mean a bigger, wider road is better. No, that's a wrong thinking. There is this washboard all the way. I don't know, maybe 20 kilometers have only washboard. I don't want our car shaking so much. I have to driving only like a 10 kilometers per hour. It's very bad driving. This washboard. It's not for this car. This washboard not good for any car.
I think they're driving like a tractor after they have ready.
What is this sign?
But we turn, we turn 200, we turn left.
Okay. Yeah, here I have a sign. Do we get now tarmac? Yeah. we get back to tarmac. Yeah, that's very nice. Wow.
After Koroman Sata Michael.
I hope I have a little bit more tarmac. Now we turn right.
Yeah.
So maybe it's again gravel. Kontiovaara.
5 kilo.
Kontiovaaran tie.
Yeah.
Yeah, again back to gravel.
But this is not bad.
Yeah, it is much better than there. Have a see what it's
Joo,
today.
14 kilo. 14 kilo more.
Yeah, this they talking about. This road can be very nice. You can go past.
Never achieved suddenly.
We fill up our tank here in Ilomantsi Teboil and surprise, our car eats gasoline only 16.3 kilometers.
16 liter per 100 kilo.